Hello, my name is Kaushik Akivatkar, and in this course we are going to discuss about how to trade options effectively. We'll learn how to trade options both directionally and non-directionally. It's a method of identifying how the markets are going to be, how markets will behave for a week so that we can plan our expiries better. I have a decade-long experience in academics. I've been teaching consumer behavior and marketing. At some point in time, just like you, I thought that I want to venture out into trading, want to trade markets full time, and became full-time trader after 10 years of trading into markets. So I started with first step in 2014, where I was trading equity markets. For a longer time, traded equity stocks, doing long positions in the equity market, and eventually graduated into a derivative trader. Now I trade futures and options. I trade Nifty and Bank Nifty options and stock futures. So that's my favorite way of trading the markets. I prefer trading a positional way of trading options. I don't do intraday, but largely a positional way of trading the markets. So when you trade options, you have multiple opportunities. You can go long options, you can go short options. You can trade single leg, you can trade double leg. I trade both a single leg options versus a double leg options, which is straddle and strangles, and going long and short with single leg. In this course, we'll discuss everything around going long and short of options, doing long and short of straddle, and everything around options trading. The concepts that we are going to discuss in this course is completely rule based. So there are predefined rules. If we follow certain rules, we'll be able to anticipate the market, whether markets are going to be trending or sideways, and based on it, we can create the positions. So when you know the rules of the system, you can become a systematic trader. You can have risk in check, you know, and you are well prepared before you enter the markets. So let us begin our rule based option trading journey. Now we have understood why trend is important for an option trader. Whether you want to go long or short, or maybe you don't know what to do in the markets, then also you need to understand trend. The trend can be identified through two ways. One is through market structures and the other is through an indicator. Market structures are price structures, they are price patterns. They are way of plotting swing highs and swing lows of Dow theory. So in Dow theory, you must have understood that there is higher high and higher low. The method of plotting higher high and higher low, and for a bearish trend lower lows and lower high, this method is known as market structures. They come through a pattern. The pattern forms market structure high and market structure low, which is swing high and swing bottom as per Dow theory. The other way of plotting trend or identifying in which trend we are, we use an indicator. The largely used indicator is moving average. We understand moving averages are the first derivative of price. They give us an idea for a longer period of time where people have bought or sold an instrument. Moving averages play a very critical role or a very crucial role in identifying trend. We will understand the process of marking market structure high and low with help of an indicator is going to help us identify the sweet spot on the chart where we are going to participate. Going forward, we are going to understand the process of marking market structures. There are two types of market structures, market structure high and market structure low. We are also going to learn how to identify a trend using an indicator which is moving average.